legends like a ninja turtle. My life is hell, I ride on the flames, look like I'm surfing. Adidas jogging suit on me like I'm jumping hurdles. Big old backwood in my hand while I'm driving, I'm swerving. The road is dark, I make mistakes, but I promise I'm learning. I'll use the light from the fire off these bridges I'm burning. What?
So today we here, the Fairmount, my baby, my Futura, she got a problem right now where the back lights was staying on even after I came and parked her in the garage. Oopsies. Boom, it's on. You see the problem. Brake lights are on, all three. I'm not even touching the brake. This is supposed to solve the problem. This is a brake switch. I just got it today. I ordered it. I went to the store and they said it could be there in 2 days, so it cost me 17 bucks. Hopefully this is it. It's up underneath. Go ahead and take a look at it. It's up underneath the brake pedal. So hence we got the slides, because I'm gonna take my shoes off. Let's get that up out of here so we can have some wiggle room. Okay, so it's right there. I'm kind of impaired. I got one arm right now, but connected to this pole, this black pole right here. That's the brake pedal. So it's right up there. There's this little piece. Let me see. Whoever the fuck did all this shit, duct tape not duct tape. Freaking what's that stuff called? Electric tape. We're gonna take this glove off. There we go. Hit the jackpot. We hit the jackpot on that one. Let's see. Okay. So first, we gotta pull that out. Okay, hold on. I'm just trying to pull out this pin. Oh, we almost got it. Got it. Got the pin. Oh, fuck, I just hit myself in the face. Got this pin out, if y'all can see that. Now, I took the pin out. I should be able to just slide this right off. Oh, and you can see that piece just drop out. It fell and almost hit me in my face too. All right. This is good while you get on camera so you know where everything go. Okay, I gotta put y'all down. Okay. So now we done did that. We can pull this out here like that. And you see, that's the brake switch, baby. Now, you see these wires. We know which wires. Oh shit, something fell in my eye, bitch. All right, we're back. We better. Now, I gotta get this piece off, man. It's just hanging there now. All right, here's a quick little look at comparisons. That's the new one. That's the old one. It's raining right now too, y'all. This is the piece that came off the thing, bro. So I don't know. So I've got a new one of these because this didn't come with the new one of these. I don't know how that's looking. All right, I put the new one on there, clamped it on. Now I see why he had all the duct tape. The freaking wire had slipped out of the little plastic holder. So now we gotta put that thing back on in the clip. So let's get down here and try to do it, see if it'll fix the problem. So now we got, let me drop the pieces. So now we got this thing, the brake pedal pulls this, which pulls that, but when doing so, when it pulls that, it closes this clamp or something, it opens the clamp, it does something to where the spring moves, and it tells the lights in these wires to turn on or off. In doing so, they gotta Okay. So it's in the right position now. What we need is, what we need is for this guy right here. We missed all of that, but boom, bam, we got that joint back on there. Now, just like on that side, where there's a washer, there's gotta be a washer on this side, and it's over here by my head. There it go right there. Okay, we put that joint on. Okay, then we supposed to put this plug back in. All right, I just put it on there. I just put the brake switch in, and I put the clamp back in. So let's see if it changed anything. All right, lights are still on. I can see them on that thing. Oh, hold on. Did we do it? Did we do it? Let's see. Why is that on? They just turned off. They just turned off, baby. Let's go! Don't play with me. Don't play with me ever. Don't ever. We taking my baby out today. We taking my baby out today for that one. Oh yeah, baby. Elijah, do it again, baby. Man, they need to stop with these fireworks, bro. Boy, we did it. Let's go. Let's go. I feel amazing. Let's go. Alright, hold on. I gotta show y'all how.
Elijah, we did it again, boy. Did it again. Take that shoe off, cause you know it's dirty. Keep my baby clean. Y'all see that? Hold on, you see what I see? Hold on. Yeah, baby, we back in business. Let's go. Let's go. Another successful video on Elijah's lavish life, baby. Let's get it.